Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to give you a review of QuickBooks. The first thing that I'm going to review are pricing plans. Then I'm going to talk to you about the features and products it offers as a QuickBooks. Also, I'm going to do that. I'm going to give you my view of the cons and advantages, disadvantages that I personally see. And then I'm going to talk to you about the alternatives. So without further ado, let's start. Now, QuickBooks Online is a great software, but it could be much better, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it. So when you come here to the pricing plan, what you can find here, you can find that you're going to have a simple start, plan, essential, plus, or advanced. You have option buy now for 50% off for 3 months, or you can have a free trial. So my recommendation, you will have a link down below in the description. Check the free trial, check how you like it, how you feel with the tool when you're using it. In that way, you can see it by yourself if you like it or don't. And let me down in the comments, guys, what do you think about QuickBooks? If you like it or if you don't like it, like what you don't like about QuickBooks. So when other people would come here, they would say like, okay, they would see other comments of people using QuickBooks. So here we're gonna see, let's say I'm going with a free trial for 30 days. It's expensive. And I'm going to leave it like it is. Comparing to Xero, comparing to FreshBooks, comparing to Wave, it really depends what do you actually need. If you're literally a small business and you don't need much, you can have few invoices, I would definitely recommend using Wave or other alternative comparing to QuickBooks, even ZipBooks. So ZipBooks is like also a free option that you can use because like it's a little bit expensive. So yeah, you have income expenses, simple start, tax deductions, receipt capture, mileage tracking, cash flow, sales and sales tax, estimates contractors. The one huge advantage of QuickBooks it has that it got a lot of things that you can do. So let's say that you need mileage tracking. It's going to be great for you because QuickBooks offers it. Many competitors don't offer it. Then you're gonna have also the include bill management, enter time. For $85 a month, you're gonna have the project profitability. But even for the simple start, you're gonna have a lot of stuff that you can do. But in the moment when you want to include users, you need to have essential, $55 a month, and maybe that's going to be a little bit overwhelming for you. So this really depends what do you actually expect from QuickBooks and what do you need. So there is a link down below in the description, test it out by yourself. Now when we go further to QuickBooks, I'm gonna find the tools to help your business thrive. And you see here that you're gonna have the simple start essential. Now when I come here, I can have accounting, advanced account, payroll, even time tracking. Then you're gonna have the manage bills. Another thing is that you're gonna have also options to like integrate with other tools. That's really great. Now, what are some disadvantages? That the monthly plan is expensive. That's the first one. The learning curve with QuickBooks Online, it's higher comparing to Xero, comparing to FreshBooks. So in the moment when you're gonna enter it, create your account, it can get a little bit overwhelming. Then also it's crashing. So that's another disadvantage that many people said that the whole tool just stopped working, it crashed, they had server issues. Another thing is reporting, that the reporting could be like improved with QuickBooks Online. But it really depends what do you actually need. And then there is another one, and it's support. So many people who had problem with the, like let's say a payroll, or they need to explain something, they didn't get the help they needed. So these are the 5 disadvantages that I personally see. But again, you need to test it out by yourself. Like you need to feel the tool. And you see here that QuickBooks Payroll Services that go beyond the paycheck, tax penalty protection, same-day direct deposit, auto taxes and forms, time tracking, auto payroll, 24/7 expert support. So all of these you can do here. Now you can also grade that you can track time on the go, that you can have the time tracking. You can use also the mobile app, and this is also really great advantage comparing to different like competitors that they don't offer it. Then you see the scheduling here, the integrations, the team management reports. So all of these are really great to have. So that's also pretty good. And then you see the QuickBooks Online here, that you can all things bills all in one place, that you can easily create a bill. I mean, QuickBooks is working on a tool. It's been here for ages, but we need to understand that the more QuickBooks is growing, the more support requests there are going to be, and many people want different things, so even the reviews are going to be different. But again, if you're just thinking about it, give it a try. Like the free trial for 30 days, it's a good option, and you can see if it's going to fill you. But if you're just going to create income and like let's say you're going to have the invoices and bills, and you don't need much because you're starting out, don't choose QuickBooks. So that's another thing. And when you're going to grow, and if you're doing the accounting and you're a business owner, try to like optimize it. Try to so like someone else is going to do it for you, so you're not going to spend so much time on this, right? So that's another thing that I would definitely recommend, that don't spend so much time on accounting and focus on actually doing the business and earning money. That you would see, if you could see my business, I got accountant, which is taking for everything, and I just focus on growth. And I don't care about like I hit so many stars that I don't care about all the things in accountancy. Because like the more I'm going to earn money, the easier it's going to be for the business to sustain and grow, because the money is the fuel for the business. And from that, like I have a goal of building a sustaining house off grid that I don't need much. And that way it can be much more like better. So it's really interesting that this is pretty much it, guys. Try QuickBooks. The pricing is a little bit expensive. They got a lot of features which are really well made, with the manage bills, track income, expenses, invoice customers, run reports, maximize tax deductions. You can have also by small business or mid-sized businesses. If you're gonna grow really high, of course you're gonna choose like different tool. Then like try to outsource the accounting so you don't have to do it. Then you're gonna find the advanced accounting, virtual bookkeepers, payroll, payments, time tracking, also for the e-commerce. So that's really great that you can combine it with Amazon, WooCommerce, ShipStation, and all of these. So that's what you can do. And what I do is that I actually focus on growing the business. I take the money, I build a house, we have the property. And when I have the house, I have the property, what I do is that I easily just build an amazing house and be in nature all the time. That's the goal here. And from there, I'm going to build, like just sustain everything and build my own garden, being off grid and working on myself. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.